पता है स्वालबार्ड की सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात क्या है? 2000 के पॉपुलेशन में आपको 50 डिफरेंट नेशनैलिटीज मिलेंगी. Other than polar bear, Svalbard is very famous for its diverse international population. शायद इसलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे काम करने के लिए आपको वर्क वीज़ा की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. ऐसी ही एक स्वालबार्ड लोकल है गैब्रिएला, जो 2014 में स्वालबार्ड आई थी मेक्सिको से. सो आज का वीडियो होगा ऑल अबाउट स्वालबार्ड और गैब्रिएला खुद हमें बताएगी अबाउट हर लाइफ एंड इन जनरल लाइफ इन स्वालबार्ड. सो विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू, लेट्स गो इनटू द वीडियो.
Seven darkness. It's nice and it's cozy. And I think it's when you spend more time indoors with your friends.
Okay.
Because it's very cold outside. And
Yeah.
You cannot enjoy the weather sometimes.
Ah.
Sometimes it's also snowing a lot, and light the candles all the time. Well, not in my case because I'm the worst cook. But most of my friends, they start baking a lot. And,
Yeah. So it's all indoors during those times.
Yes.
It's
and
all
we
snowy
start
outside,
with the,
right? Full snow, snowy outside. During those times.
I think we start with snowy days maybe by the end of September
Okay.
approximately, and then October it gets darker
Yeah.
and we get a lot of snow.
Okay.
And then November it's really dark, yeah, and it depends. Not every time it is snowing that much, but yeah, we get a lot of snow. And then by December we have a lot, and then Northern Lights 24/7. The thing with Iceland and also in Svalbard is that there is cloudy most of the time.
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's the reason. And also like Norway, for example, you go to Norway and if you want to see the Northern Lights, most of the trips, let's say in Tromsø, they drive all the way to the Finland border,
Yeah, right.
or the Swedish one, just to get out from the cloudy weather.
Yeah.
And then they find clear skies, and it is yeah.
There is very less vegetation out here, so
Just
how
10% of the archipelago has any
so
vegetation.
how
We have a lot of grass and some flowers, but it is not allowed to pick up flowers
okay
during the summer when they are blooming. And what else? We have a tree. People say that we don't have trees, but we have a tree called dwarf birch.
Oh.
And that's our tree.
Oh. Okay.
It's very, very small, but still,
Yeah.
there's a tree. We cannot grow something here
Okay.
because of the permafrost.
permafrost
Yeah.
Permafrost reminds of the seed vault that
Permafrost means also.
so permafrost is basically permanently frost. So the global seed vault is here because the weather makes it permanently frost and it will never get destroyed.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's the permafrost.
And that's also the reason they don't build the constructions here like
Yeah. We were talking about this, that none of the construction is a proper construction. It looks like a makeshift building, makeshift shop that way. Okay.
So people were
Yeah, and they are not very stable. Sometimes, yeah, they get like because of the permafrost.
Right.
So what we saw in the outside along the hill ridge, there are some steel constructions were built, like the metal constructions were built.
Because of the avalanches.
Those are avalanche
Yeah.
protectors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have high avalanches risks here.
And avalanches happen mostly in winter or
Yeah. When we have a lot of
snow?
snow and stormy weather.
know everybody here, no? Almost?
Almost.
Almost.
Yeah, because
Very closely knit community. Very closely knit community. Everybody knows people.
yeah, international community, of course. And then we have the students, and we have the people who spend most of the time here, and they only go for holidays to the mainland or
Yeah.
somewhere else. It's a very sunny place.
So most of the people living here has a permanent residence somewhere else also, right?
Yeah, it works like that. For example, I can stay here for ever if I want. I just need to renew my passport, either in Oslo at the Mexican embassy, or
Okay.
I can.
You're
go
from
back
Mexico?
to
You're from Mexico?
Yeah, I'm from Mexico.
Oh.
She's from Mexico. How did you come to Svalbard? Long story.
No, long story short, yeah, I was traveling.
Okay.
I started traveling around 2011
Okay.
in the Arctic. I mean,
Okay.
so my first trip was to Alaska by winter, Northern Lights and dog sledding tours.
Okay.
And, I did a road race and so, and then I went to Iceland and then Scandinavia and so. And then in 2014 I came here, and I fell in love with the place, and I decided to move up here. I just thought that that was enough. I don't want to just keep on traveling. I need to stay here and call this place home.
Oh.
I came by September because by September I had this daytime and nighttime, so I wanted to see if there was a chance to experience the summer trips and also the Northern Lights.
Right.
Yeah.
What's the change that you've seen? Like 2014 is a long
It's-
time, right?
It's growing a lot. Yeah.
Nothing. All these things were like there, or maybe very few more.
No. Not all of these buildings and the residence for the students. They only had the black building behind the university, and now they have like
So many.
3.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
this university
buildings.
about? So this is the university of, is there a particular studies happening here?
Yes, it's like iceology or
Okay.
Okay.
yeah, marine biologists.
Okay. Okay.
Everything related to the Arctic. Yeah. So it is not
Interesting
that you
area.
want to have some degree on architecture or something like that. No,
Engineering.
engineering. no.
Medical.
Not at all.
No, but it's interesting. The Arctics are so interesting. You never get enough. I'm
No.
like, the moment I landed over, I was like overwhelmed. I was feeling like I want to cry. I was so happy.
Yeah.
I was so happy. I just can't explain how happy I was. So
People come to Norway still, but not Svalbard.
nobody comes to Svalbard from our place. I'm like,
No,
I don't
they
even
think
know.
that this is just a frozen.
They don't know. Yeah,
Yeah.
they don't know, and it's different.
It's a special place.
It's special. It's different. It's very special. Yeah.
The good part is you can't predict what is going to happen. Like today's our trip, we are all set, ready, about to go, but then they said because of the weather. So that uncertainty also adds to the interesting fact.
One is the local, most authentic local cuisine of Svalbard that we can taste or try.
Reindeer.
Reindeer.
Because we hunt reindeers here.
Okay.
But also some reindeer meat comes from the mainland. So
Okay.
it depends on.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the basic? How does a basic meal look like over here? Like what supper? What people in Svalbard have for supper? Bread,
Salads. and,
Salads. meat.
yeah, meat.
Breads. Okay.
We have a lot of things at the supermarket, but of course they are not as fresh as in your country or as
Yeah.
in Mexico. So we have a lot of food, but sometimes they're not that tasty.
Okay.
Yeah,
How did
honestly.
you manage that?
Yeah, food must be a big
Well, I think
difference
that
for
you cannot have everything.
How do you live without tacos?
Yesterday was my birthday, and
Oh.
my friends are chefs, So they prepared these morning tacos for me.
Oh, nice timing. Because she
Very
was
nice
right.
thing, yeah.
Yeah, very nice thing.
Life is beautiful. Sometimes it's easy and comfortable. Sometimes it's difficult and challenging. Sometimes it's a teacher, and sometimes it's a mentor. You know why we travel? We travel so that we give life a chance. In Svalbard, you were chance of a lifetime.